Hey guys, it's been a minute. Today I'm creating a bridal look while also being really honest and vulnerable with you. As always, I'll be showing product used and you can find the full list in the description box. I haven't posted a makeup tutorial in 4 months, not because I didn't want to, but because I've been struggling. I've been battling that feeling of not being enough. I don't know if any other creatives can relate, but sometimes I'll finish a makeup look and instead of feeling proud, I just start picking it apart. Like, why did I blend the contour like that? Why didn't I fix the brow arc? The liner could have been sharper. And then I record tutorials, I edit part of them, and then I delete them or just leave them sitting in my drafts. It's crazy because offline, I've been working, my clients have been happy, there've been no complaints at all. But I don't even post the looks because, again, I'm constantly second guessing myself. I've realized that this self doubt is not just about makeup, it's deeper. Sometimes I think the enemy tries to use our thoughts against us, like planting little lies in our minds, making us feel unworthy or like our efforts don't matter. And if you're not careful, you start believing those lies. It got to a point where I stopped posting here on YouTube too, and this is a channel that grew so quickly. I got monetized in less than 6 months. I pour my heart into videos, I share everything. I don't gatekeep. If you are not new to this channel, you already know that. But sometimes when I look at the views or the engagement, I get really discouraged because I know the effort I put in, and when it doesn't reflect back, it's easy to feel discouraged. But here's the thing, I'm talking to myself as much as I'm talking to you. We can't stop showing up just because things are not perfect. We can't give up on our gifts just because we don't get instant validation. So I've made up my mind, even if I don't feel 100%, I'm still going to show up. I'm not going to let fear or perfectionism silence me anymore. And if you're watching this and you've been in a similar place, maybe you're doubting yourself, maybe you've been putting your dreams on pause, please don't give up. Post that content, take that job, book that appointment. Just start again, even if you're afraid, even if you don't feel ready. I know what it's like to turn down work because your confidence level is low. I've done it. I've told people I'm not available just because I don't feel like I could deliver. But we can't stay stuck in that place because deep down, we know we're called to do more. We know we're talented. We just need to believe it again. So, yeah, this video is me choosing to believe in myself again, me choosing to keep going. Trust me, this shoot was completely unplanned. I was just sitting in my studio, overthinking as usual, and I literally said, "Not today, Satan." I got up, set up my camera and lights, and told myself, "I'm filming today." Did I have doubts? Absolutely. Did I look at the makeup and think this isn't good enough? Yes, I did. Did I overthink editing it because I thought the lighting was poor? Yes, yes, and yes. But guess what? I posted it anyway. And honestly, even if this video gets 1 view, I don't care because it's bigger than numbers. This is me refusing to stay stuck, me choosing to keep going. And I really hope it inspired someone to do the same. If this video touched you in any way, please leave a comment. Let's talk. You're not alone. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy makeup or beauty content. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Misty mountains, dusty roads ahead, crossing rivers, dreaming of a bed from a window in the mighty clouds up high. I can touch a stream of gold above, breaking through with hope of light and love, giving peace of mind to those of us who try. Try to make a way. I can hear you say, let shine on the broken. Let the summer come again. Let the heat find all the frozen. Let the force in. And I am above. I feel above. Oh, let the sun